Hello, today's Library 101, we're going to go over the tech alphabet soup. Alphabet soup for technologies. Technology is also rife with acronyms. It's no surprise that it's rife with acronyms. We use them so much, we don't realize that they are acronyms that stand for something. Items such as HP or www all stand for something, but they have become a common phrase. Yes, I put some tech items in the previous tutorials, such as MARC or OPAC, because they're not just tech acronyms. These tech ones are important to libraries because they are used frequently within the profession, but many don't actually know what they stand for. We know generally what the thing that is connected with the acronym does, but we don't know what it is spelled out to us. So, I chose to do another alphabet soup video for the reasons previously stated. Knowing these acronyms is important, but they are also daunting, so these bite-sized videos will help with understanding what we already know. So some common acronyms that we find related to technology. The very first one is IT. IT stands for Information Technology. HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So this is what you put before the www dot. Makes your website secure. TLS is the Transport Layer Security. IP address is Internet Protocol Address. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. A URL is Uniform Resources Locator. DNS is Domain Name System. LAN, or LAN, is Local Area Network. VPN is Virtual Private Network. BARD, or BARD, is Braille and Audio Reading Download. PAC, is a Public Access Catalog. XML is Extensible Markup Language. Thank you for joining me for another bite-sized Library 101 of the Alphabet Soup. If you have any questions on this video, please email me at ndsltrain@nd.gov.